Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you that how you can read CSV file using Python program. Okay, uh, here I have downloaded one CSV file from the internet, which is demo one. Here we have some data, approx 6 records out there, and one is our headers. Okay, like street, city, zip, state, and some stuff like that in the here. Okay, so first we have to import one module which is inbuilt in Python. You don't have to install that one. The name of that module is CSV, the simple name. Okay, and then what happened? Okay, then let me initialize our file name, which is demo.csv. After that, we are going to open that CSV file using with open, the name of that file name, using read mode. Okay, as CSV file. That's the naming convention I'm going to use here. Okay, after that you can simply say CSV file is equal to CSV dot reader, and under that, no, here we have to name it something different because we have already named one, which is CSV file, so we have to name it like CSV reader. Okay, so CSV reader is equal to CSV dot reader. Under that we have to pass the CSV file as an argument, and after iterating to the CSV reader we can get all the rows of our demo.csv. So how to do that? That's quite simple. For row in CSV reader, we are going to print all the rows. After that, let me run this program. You can see all the records are printed here. Okay, but let's say you want to separate this field from the record. Okay, you just want to display all the records. So what we got to do, so first let me declare one variable which is field, which is a array. So under the field we have to use next. Under that we can use CSV reader. After that, sorry, not CSV reader, it's CSV file. After that, if you print that, we can see that the first field which we are getting here is now omitted. Okay, and that field is stored in this one. Okay, in case if you want to show that, then you can simply say print field, and that all the headers which we have there is included in this one. So you can simply show that here street, city, zip, state, and all stuff like that. So hope you understood that how we can read a CSV file. Now let's suppose we want to display only 5 records at a time, or maybe 2 records at a time, or maybe 3 records. So for that, like in many programs, we have to do that, displaying only 2 records, 3 records, or maybe there are 100 of records, and you can simply show 10 records at a time. Then after clicking next button or something like that, you can display other 10 records. So for that, uh, we have to use something like, we have to use one more array here, which is this one, and we have to append all these. Let's suppose name it as rows. Okay, and we have to append all those rows into this one, append row. Now we have all the row in this field, in this one. Okay, so then if you want to display only 2 or 3 of the record, let's say we have here how much record we have here, 6 records. So let's say we want to display 3 records at a time. So what we got to do, that's quite simple. We are using here list formatting. So for that, R in um, rows, under that we are going to fetch only 3 from the first. So for that, this one, and we can simply print here rows R, and we can see here only 3 records are printed. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 records are printed. Okay. Now if you want to know that how many records are there, then there is one more thing we can do here, which is print for how many records. We have to use CSV reader dot line underscore num or something like that. I think, yeah, it's 6. Means we have 6 records out there. You can see here it's 6. We are not including this one. I am again telling you that we are not including this one because that one is filled. That one is not considered as the record. We have to consider record from the second position. Okay, because there the main data lies. Okay, there are main data lies. Okay, so hope you understand that how we can include how we can read out CSV files using Python program. So if you like this video, do hit a like and share it with your friends. In case if you are new here, consider subscribing and do hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. So thanks for watching this video.